Alright, so welcome to a very interesting and unique video. Now the reason I say this is because till now I used to think that my Poco X3 Pro is invincible. It will not die. And I was expecting something like this at the back of my head, but I never thought that it would really happen. So yesterday I'm not blaming any of these kernels or ROMs, but let me tell you what exactly happened because you deserve to know the entire experience, how a phone dies, and if there is anything that you can do to prevent it from dying. Now, of course, this is the Poco X3 Pro box. I have kept the device inside the box. Now, there are a few issues that I'm concerned about before going to the service center. But first, let me tell you what a brick actually looks like. Most of y'all already know what a brick actually looks like. The phone will not power on. The phone will not enter fast boot mode at all. The phone will not enter recovery mode. It will not charge. And if you connect it to the computer, it will not even get detected on the computer. So that's what a brick looks like. And trust me, it doesn't feel good. Anyways, now here's the deal. Randomly, the phone decided to shut down. Once it happened again, and after the second time, it did not go beyond the Poco logo. Beyond Poco logo, it would just give me a blank black screen, right? And nothing would happen. So then I tried fast boot flash with MIUI 13 fast boot ROM, same issue. Tried MIUI 12.0.4, which is the first ever ROM released with this particular device. It flashed fine, but same issue, black screen. And for a moment, it went into EDL mode and then it went back to fast boot mode. And after that, finally, it completely died. अब इस वीडियो में आपको हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों वर्जन मिलेंगे क्योंकि हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी करने वाले, जैसे कि अभी हम सर्विस सेंटर जा रहे हैं. वी आर गोइंग टू द सर्विस सेंटर. आई एम प्रोबब्ली गोइंग टू व्लॉग दिस एंड सी व्हाट दे हैव टू से. The reason I'm concerned is because, as you can see, I don't use screen protectors on any of my devices. Although the scratches on display are not my concern. If you look at the back of the phone, there are a ton of usage marks over here. This phone is, of course, more than a year old, and this phone has more than 200 videos on my channel, right? So PhoneOps has around 218 videos of this device, and it's really sad to see that it has died. Now, this might be a standalone video. I really don't know, or I might make it into a 10-15 minute video day one experience or something like that. But just before I visit the service center, I wanted to show you that I'm carrying the box, I'm carrying the dead phone. Of course, I'm not carrying the charger, and I'm carrying the invoice as well. I had purchased this device in the month of April 2021, and yeah, let's go to the service center. I'm going to vlog my experience there, and I'm exactly going to tell you the do's and don'ts in the extended warranty. Let's go to the service center and find out what exactly happened. So here's the deal. We've reached the service center and I've submitted my phone. Now they're going to check, for which they're going to need 2 hours, and I'm being told that they're going to honor the extended warranty and stuff, but I think Poco X4 Pro offer कर रहे हैं replacement में, which clearly I'm not going to take. So far the experience has been good. अभी तक मेरे पास paper आया नहीं है. So once I get the paper, I will see what is written on it and what exactly they are going to say and we are going to do. So stay tuned and let's see what happens next. They're checking the phone now. So here's the deal. It has been now confirmed that the device is dead and I've been offered Poco X4 Pro, of course, for which I've said no. I've given them 2 options, that either they can give me a refund for the Poco X3 Pro or maybe the Poco F4 if they can arrange that. So they're going to check now, they're going to revert till tomorrow, and this video will be on the channel till today evening. Do let me know your thoughts, and yeah, I mean, it did die, but I'm doing this for you guys so that if your device dies and it is in warranty, you know what your rights are, what you need to do. And this video, although it is in English, it will go on the Hindi and English channel both. If there are any more updates for today, I will definitely let you know in today's video itself. Alright, so we are back from the service center and you all saw what exactly happened in the service center. Now, I really need to give you guys a backstory before you guys actually go and start fighting with your own respective service centers. Now, this place in South Mumbai, this service center that I have been visiting, I have been going there since Note 3 days, which means this is easily a 5 to 6 year affair. People over there know me, and some people also know that I'm a YouTuber. I do make Xiaomi related content and stuff like that. So there is a high possibility that I did receive a special treatment. Now, the options that I had given them as I said in the blog as well in the earlier part of this video, where I either need a Poco F4 because I need a Snapdragon 800 series device to be replaced by a 800 series device, which of course I was sure that they were not going to give a Poco F4 because that device is around 7,000 to 8,000 expensive compared to the Poco X3 Pro, and I also gave them an option to give me a refund. Now, what they came up with a solution to me with was one, the Poco X4 Pro, which in no case I am going to agree because I unboxed that phone on this channel. I did do a live stream as well, and that is a straight downgrade. So there's no way we are going for the Poco X4 Pro. So what they just have called me now and told me is that I'll be getting a different Poco X3 Pro. I'll not be getting it sealed pack, but it will be a brand new unit. I'll be getting a charger replaced as well. Now, to that, what I told them is that you're giving me a Poco X3 Pro replacement now, but my warranty on this device expires in October. Now, what I did request them was I need a year's warranty from the time you hand the device over to me. Initially, they resisted, they did not agree, but later when I refused to accept the Poco X3 Pro, they agreed that they'll be giving me in writing that from the day I get the Poco X3 Pro, for a year at least, it will not die or break. That is what I'm going to get. So it's really not clear what sort of 1-year warranty I'm going to get. Is it only for the dead issue or any other issues as well? And I would request all of you to hold on till the time you get the part 2 of this video, because at this point I've just submitted my phone today, okay, and the service center has the phone. Till the time I get the device back and till the time I get a letter from them that I have 1 year's warranty, I would request you guys not to blow this up, not to go to your service center and say that, because once I get it, once I have the phone with me and I have made sure that I have 1 year's warranty, you can go ahead and use that as a reference. But if you do it before I actually get my device, it might even reduce the chances of me getting 1 year warranty along with a replacement. So for the part 1 of this video, that is what the story is. The device randomly died yesterday night, right? And after that, I went to the service center today. I've given them the device. They've confirmed that it is dead and they're giving me a golden colored Poco X3 Pro, which I should be getting in a couple of days is what I've been informed. Stay tuned for further updates, and yes, Poco X3 Pro will continue on this channel, so don't be disappointed. Stay subscribed, share this video with as many people's groups and social media handles as much as you can, because a lot of Poco X3 Pros are dying and a lot of people are settling for a Redmi Note 10 Pro or a Poco X4 Pro, which in my opinion is a sheer downgrade. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. Until the next one, this is Kailash signing off at PhoneOps. Keep smiling. Take care. Goodbye.